How to fix no sound in Snapchat call in iPhone. So let's start the video. First of all, if you want to fix this problem, then firstly open Control Center and check your internet connection works properly or not. After checking your internet connection, then turn on or off your airplane mode 2 to 3 times. After turn on or off your airplane mode, then go back to your screen and open your settings. In settings, scroll down in last and click on apps, and then scroll down and click on Snapchat. Now here you can see microphone and camera option. If you turn this button off, then turn it on. After turning this button on, your problem will be fixed. If it doesn't fix your problem, then go back to your screen and open App Store. Now search here Snapchat. Now click on Snapchat. Now here you can see latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update, then update it to latest version. After updating a latest version of Snapchat, then go back and open settings and click on general and then click on iPhone storage. Now scroll down and click on Snapchat. Now here you can see the option offload. Now offload your Snapchat and reinstall it. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.